Simple line navigation is a basic yet powerful tool for understand how one variable affect another by finding the best fitting line in provide insight into the relationship and allow for accurate prediction based on the data. When is simple line navigation used? Simple line navigation is used when there is a need to predict the value of one variable, dependent variable, based on the value of another independent variable. By identifying a linear relationship between them, it is often applied to analyze trend, explore the relationship, and measure the impact of one variable on another. This method is an ideal situation where the relationship between the variable is linear, only one dependent variable is involved, and the data to K assumptions such as normality of residuals and constant variance. Example include predicting outcome like sale based on advertising budget or understand how factor like study time influence test score. How do you use simple line navigation? Simple line navigation is a statistical method used to the model the relationship between continuous variable. One dependent variable is represent x and one dependent variable represent y. It's assumed that y can be predicted from x using straight lines described by the equation y equals to b0 plus b1 x plus. Y is a dependent variable and X is dependent variable and B is an intercept and B1 is a slope. What are some applications where you can use insert choosing algorithm in simple linear regression? Predicting sale based on advertising spend. You can use simple navigation to predict sale based on how much money a company spend on advertising. The dependent variable will be the advertising budget and the dependent variable will be the sale figure. And another example is forecasting house prices. Simple line navigation can be used to predict house price based on the features like the size of the house, square footage. The size of the house is the dependent variable and the house price is the dependent variable. Another example, estimating weight from height. You can predict a person weight based on their height using simple line navigation. Height will be the independent variable and width will be the dependent variable. Real world scenario. Predicting employee salary based on your experience. In case the independent variable years of experience is continuous and measured on a scale and the dependent variable salary is also continuous, measured on a scale in monetary value. Based on the given by applying a simple line, you can predict an employee salary based on the number of the year they have worked. The model will be establish a linear relationship between two variables, helping employees estimate the salary of an employee based on the example experience. Rather, yeah, if you see the example in this example, in this example, simple navigation help us understand the relationship between years of experience and salary, allowing business to predict the expected salary of employees based on their experience. It is a valuable tool for salary forecasting, personnel planning, and understand trends in workforce compensation.